Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. I want to share with you a quick video about how to run Verilog Testbench simulation and output the waveform of a Verilog code using the tool called Gtkwave. So let's start. Okay, first you have to install the Icarus Verilog on your computer. If you don't have the Icarus Verilog on your computer, I will leave you a link in the description about how to install it and how to install Gtkwave also. Here we have 4 files. In the beginning you will have the ALU.v and the ALU_tb.v, which is a test bench of the Verilog code of the ALU. Here we have 2 files. The ALU.vvb is an intermediate file, is a compiled version of the test bench. This compiled version of the test bench, or this compiled file, will be transformed to the waves.vcd. Now the waves.vcd is the one you specify here in the dump file function. And there is a couple of notes in the test bench. You have to make sure that you specify the compiler directive, the timescale, to output the waveform in a correct way on the Gtkwave, as you will see. And the second note is you have to make sure that the finish function doesn't close the simulation early, because if it closes the simulation early, you won't have the waveform outputted right. So let's start. Let's change direction. I'm gonna hit Start R to open the run menu. I'm gonna hit CMD. It will open the CMD the command prompt. Now I have the files here in a folder called sim on my desktop, so I have to cd change directory to my desktop, and then I'm gonna change directory to the sim folder. If I pressed or if I hit the dir, it will list the files I have. So let's delete those and regenerate them. The first command is iverilog -o alu.vvb. I want the output file in the name of alu.vvb, and then I'm gonna provide the alu.v and alu_tb.v. Press enter. We will see now that the alu.vvb is generated. Second step is to press vvb and give you the name of the vbb file. Hit enter. These messages are the messages put in the display method. Okay, and now the finish calls at this time. So that's why I said you have to make sure that the finish function has enough time to let the simulation run correctly, or else it will stop the simulation in the middle of it and you won't have a good output waveform. So the last step is we're gonna press Gtkwave, file menu, open new tab, and I'm gonna select my waves.vcd. Press here, select the dot, and I'm gonna select all the signals and then press enter. Now I'm pressing the control key on my keyboard and the mouse wheel down to zoom out a little bit, and you will see that the output waveform is now appears on the screen. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.